Oshkosh, Wisconsin.
We're out here giving tours all day long, show the amazing public here in Wisconsin what we do.
So this one is in service.
But the boom itself is its own aircraft.
We are meeting people from all over the world at the air show, just kind of spreading awareness of the Air National Guard because a lot of people don't know we exist.
Good job.
So we brought along with us our boom simulator so they can pretend to be a boom operator and actually simulate refueling another fighter jet. And we also brought an F-16 cockpit so they can actually climb in and see what it would be like to be a fighter pilot.
It's absolutely incredible to get everyone up on the airplane, inside the boom pod, and give them actually hands-on controls and teach them exactly how we do our mission.
Yeah, there you go. You're controlling the boom now.
Happy to the boom.
You want to control the boom? It's a lot of very different people, all ages and everything. And so we have, you know, young kids from like 3-4 years old climbing down in there, crawling around in the boom pod. And then we have people that are in their 70s still climbing around. And every single one of them loves the experience and thinks it's so unique.
Man, this is awesome. I'm 81 and it's just, I'm happy to climb down.
Events like this are super important so that we can spread the word that what we do here in Wisconsin to protect our state and our country and kind of show the world what we do.
I love this. I love educating everybody and talking to people about it. Everybody is just in awe all the time, so it's been absolutely fun.
Great to see you all again. A lot of familiar faces, and of course, you know, the folks that we've seen for the first time, we hope to see you back next year.